Hello, everyone. In this video, listen carefully to each sentence. Pause the video after you hear it and try to repeat it aloud.
Good evening. Welcome to Grand Palace Hotel. How can I help you?
Good evening. I have a reservation for tonight. My name is Mrs. Green.
Let me check. Yes, Mrs. Green, I see your booking here. You've reserved double room for 2 nights, correct?
That's right.
Perfect. May I have your passport and a credit card for check-in, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. All right, everything looks good. Would you like a room on a higher floor with a city view or a quieter room at the back?
I'd prefer the city view, please.
Excellent choice. Your room is on the 12th floor. Here is your key card.
Great. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 6:30 to 10:30 a.m. in the restaurant on the first floor.
Perfect. And do you have Wi-Fi in the rooms?
Yes, of course. The Wi-Fi is free. Here's the password written on this card.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
Would you like a wake-up call in the morning?
Yes, please. Could you call me at 7 a.m. tomorrow?
Certainly. I'll set that up for you.
By the way, does the hotel have a gym or a swimming pool?
Yes, both. The gym is open 24 hours on the second floor, and the swimming pool is open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Wonderful. I'll definitely use them.
Is this your first time in our city, Mrs. Green?
Yes, it is. I'm here for business and a little sightseeing.
Then I recommend visiting the Old Town and Central Park. We also have a tour desk in the lobby if you'd like to book a guided tour.
That sounds great. I'll check it out tomorrow.
If you need room service, just dial 9 from your room phone. Our staff will be happy to bring you anything you need.
Good to know. Thank you.
One last thing, checkout time is at 12 noon. If you need a late checkout, please let us know in advance.
All right, I'll keep that in mind.
Here is your room key. Take the elevator to your right. It will take you directly to the 12th floor.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay at the Grand Palace Hotel.
I will. Have a nice evening.
You too, Mrs. Green. Goodbye.